Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a legend to Syncfusion's Blazor Charts. Look at this example, where a column series chart is showing the different medals won by different countries in the Olympic Games. A legend is a piece of information about the series in a chart. Now, let me show you how to write the code to add and customize legends in Blazor Charts. To do this, I will open an existing Blazor application, where I already added a simple Blazor chart with basic properties. Here, I have defined 3 series in a column chart and bound Olympic data to it. If you would like to watch a video on how to create this Blazor app, follow the link provided in the card above. You can also find a reference link in the description below. Now, I will run this example by pressing F5. Here, you can view the Blazor column chart. Next, I will show how to add a legend to the chart. Within the chart code, I will define a chart legend settings tag. To enable the legend, let me define a visible property and set its value as true. Along with the legend, I am going to display data point information, so I will define the property name and set series values to it. Now you can see the chart displaying the legend, and you can even collapse and expand the chart series by clicking on them. Here, by default, the legend will be positioned at the bottom of the chart. But you can also position the legend either at the left, right, or top by using the position property. I am planning to place the legend at the top, so let me define the position property as top. Viewing the chart output now, we can see the legend is displayed at the top. Apart from these position options, you can also set custom values to position the legend within the chart area. Next, I will show how to align the legend. To do this, first I need to define an alignment property within this chart legend settings tag. This alignment property accepts 3 options: center, far, and near. I have planned to far align the legend, so let me set the alignment property value as far. Look at the chart output. The legend is placed far at the top of the chart. Now, I am going to show how to change the shape of the legend icon. By default, the legend icon shape will be the series type, but the legend also supports other shapes like circle, rectangle, triangle, diamond, and so on. I am planning to change the legend icon for the column series chart, so let me define the property legend shape and set the appropriate options to it. Along with this, I will adjust the dimensions of the legend shape, so I will define the properties shape height and shape width with custom values. Here, you can view the chart output which displays the legend with different icons for the series, along with custom heights and widths. As mentioned previously, you can collapse a series visibility by clicking on it in the legend. Suppose I'd like to highlight the selected series. I can do this by setting the toggle visibility as false, and the selection mode is point to select the series. Look at the chart output now. Clicking the legend for the gold series highlights the respective series in the chart. You can see the chart shows information about all the series in the chart data source. If I want to hide or skip legend value of any series from the chart, then I will pass an empty value for that series. Here, I have set an empty value for the silver series. Now when you look at the chart output, it shows information about the gold and bronze series only. Next, I will show how to set a custom height and width for the legend. By default, the legend takes 20 to 25% of the chart's height if it is placed at top or bottom of the chart, and 20 to 25% of the chart's width when placed at the left or right of the chart. To set a custom height and width, I define the properties height and width with custom values. Checking the chart output now, the legend is shown with a custom height and width. At last, finally, I will show how to animate the chart. To do this, I will define the enable animation property as true within this chart code. Look at the chart output now. We can see animation effects in the chart. Let me summarize the main points we discussed in this tutorial. We have seen how to add a legend to the Syncfusion Blazor Charts, and also how to position and align the legend. Also, we discussed how to change the legend icon, how to highlight the selected series in the chart, and finally, how to animate the chart and customize the size of the legend. If you would like to see a working example of the chart in this video, you can download it from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also provided a link in the description where you can see if you qualify for a free license key to use our Blazor products through our community license. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.